To create the neon effect, open the image in Photoshop. Make sure you choose an image that is high resolution and black and white. While holding Alt, double click on layer to unlock the layer. Now take the polygon tool, set the fill to none and choose any stroke color you want. Set the stroke value to 40 points. And sides will be 3 because we are creating a triangle. Create the shape in the center. While holding space, you can readjust the position. Right click on layer, open blending option. Tick on drop shadow. Set the blend mode to normal and pick the same color from the shape. Hit OK. Set the opacity 100%. Size 250 pixel. Spread 10%. Hit OK. To increase the glow effect, drag the layer to the new layer icon to create a duplicate one and change the color to white. Now we have a good neon effect. While holding shift, select both layers and drag it to the group icon to create a group. Double click on group to rename it as neon light. Select the main image, take the quick selection tool and start creating the selection only on the body. While holding Alt, you can subtract the selection. Now unhide the neon light group, select it and add a layer mask on it. Select the mask and press Ctrl I to inverse the mask. Take the brush tool, make sure you choose the white color and start painting on that portion where you want the neon light. To give it a more realistic look, select the background image and add an adjustment layer of gradient map. Click on gradient to edit it. We will choose the blue color like how we did for the triangle. Make sure your light color should be on the right and dark color will be on the left. So you can see we get the exact tone of the light. Hit OK. But we don't want to have this effect on every part of the image. So press Ctrl backspace to fill the black color. It will temporarily vanish the effect. Take the brush tool, choose the color white and opacity will be 30%. Now start painting on the portion where you think the light will affect. It will make this effect more realistic. If you want to change the color of the light, add an adjustment layer of hue saturation right above all layers and slide the hues to get your favorite color. And if you want to add dual lightning, press Ctrl J to duplicate the hue saturation effect, double click on it and choose a different hue color. Select the mask, take the gradient tool and just put the gradient inside the mask. So it's up to you how much variation you want to add in the colors. If you learned something, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.